Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be preparing fried rice for the Christmas. So here it is my protein. So this is a blended onion added with garlic and turmeric. So that is what I'm adding first. So I added some seasoning. Yes, the seasoning, there are different varieties of seasoning. So I added salt, and also I added some other seasoning to spice up the taste of the protein. So guys, let's wash. This is my bay leaf. Yeah, added my bay leaf. So like I said, I added some ingredient. Yes, some seasoning to spice it up. Yeah, so I'll be putting my curry, my thyme, my rosemary, different assorted seasoning. I want to make this food a bomb because I'm having some visitors, so I want to make it specially. So guys, let's watch how I prepare my meal. Guys, I'm preparing fried rice and I'm preparing jollof rice, but let's see how it goes. So this is my protein. I'm going to use the pressure cooker, yes, for 5 to 10 minutes and it's ready. I want it to be very soft because the people coming, they don't like it, the protein to be hard. They like very soft protein. So this is how I prepare it. Guys, let's keep watching. I'll be cooking the sauce for the protein. I want to make it like a sauce meat. Yeah, so this is how I'm preparing my sauce meat. First, I'll first of all like bleed the ingredient for the fried rice. I just want to bleed it a little. Then what I'll do next is to prepare the sauce for the protein. Yeah, then I'll set it aside. So guys, just watch the process and watch what I'm doing for Christmas. So guys, look at my tomato. These tomatoes and pepper is well blended. It's more of pepper than tomato. So I added my onion, my tomato, my fresh pepper. The fresh pepper is more. So this is the protein I'm using to make the sauce meat, which is the sauce meat for what I will set aside. So yeah, the pepper is cooking, so it's getting ready. So I'll set that aside. Not going to capture it. I don't want the video to be very long. So this is another part of the kitchen. I'm making the fried rice. So I want to fry the fried rice. This is another process to make fried rice. Yeah, so I want to fry it and and prepare it. So guys, it's not easy, but this is the sauce, pepper sauce meat that I'll be using separately from the other one. So guys, let me fry my rice to prepare my fried rice, guys. Okay, so let's go. Keep watching. I'll be adding my protein stock to prepare this fried rice. So I added it to cook for some minutes, and guys, look at how it came out. Yeah, so I will add some other ingredient like chicken, seasoning, all the seasoning right now, because this rice is gonna cook for some minutes. Guys, keep watching. So guys, after preparing the fried rice, I set this aside. This is my jollof rice. I forgot to record the process, so I'm adding some ingredients yes to the jollof rice. Is getting ready, so I'll cook this jollof rice for some minutes, then I'll show you guys the outcome of everything. So guys, let's keep watching. I'm trying to turn the fried rice so I can add the other ingredients to the fried rice. Yeah, you have to turn it less to check if it's well cooked. Yes, so this is the ingredients of the carrot, different ingredients to spice it up. Yeah, this is my fried rice getting set. Guys, let's keep watching. My fried rice is set. Yeah, this is the colorful fried rice I'm preparing. I prepared for my friends, guests that will be coming. So I will also show you the view of the jollof rice. The jollof rice didn't take much time to be ready. So the fried rice is ready one side, the jollof rice is ready. Yeah, this is my jollof rice is set. Guys, keep watching. So next I'll be preparing my salad. I'm not using egg on this salad. I'm not using a lot of things. I just want a simple salad. I'm tired of putting egg and some other things, so I'm using something different. So guys, let's keep watching. What I use in preparing the salad, I'm not going to mention everything, so you guess. I'm using sweet corn, peels, cabbage, carrot, grated carrots, cucumber, what else is there, tomato. There are so many, yeah, rich ingredients. So guess the others and prepare yours, guys. Thank you. So I trust you enjoy this video and you're gonna wash and prepare yours using this method I use in preparing the fried rice, cooking the fried rice and the jollof rice also. The jollof rice doesn't really like have a step-by-step method of making my jollof rice, but this method I did was fast, quick and good. And the salad is something that I'll try. I added a little honey into the salad. I wanted a different taste, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, stay blessed and stay refreshed. Have a Merry Christmas.